Hello and welcome to Tableau tutorial. In our last video, we saw how to connect different types of data and what is the difference between dimensions and measures. Today we will see univariate analysis. Here we have taken a superstore data. After uploading the data, we will go to sheet 1. Here we can see the data is divided among dimensions and measures. We can move any column from dimension to measure or vice versa if required, but here everything seems fine. So here first we will start with a bar graph to see which category has high sales. After selecting the columns from Show Me, we get all the recommended charts that can be made using these columns. So here I am selecting horizontal bar graph. We can sort the data in ascending or descending order and click on the Show label. Now, along with the sum of sales, we can also add the average of sales here. For it, just drag the sales column to the column space and select its measure as average from the options. Here we can see on the left pane, two separate tabs are created for both graphs. We can also add color by just dragging the sales column to color. Here we can also change the color as per choice. If you want to change in just one graph, then choose that tab, and if you want to change in both, then choose in all the tab. You can hover and select one option in the graph. It will be highlighted like this. Click again on it to remove the highlight mode. So here we can see in the dark color technology category has the highest sales. Now let's see how to take pie chart. For it, we will require one dimension and one measure. So let's see which subcategory attained the highest profit. Select both the columns and go to Show Me tab, select pie chart. Let's select full view to see clearly and show labels. Now we want the profit to be in percentage. So go to option, select quick table calculation and select percent of total for both angle and size. You can set the label according to your requirement. Just drag the subcategory to label and profit to set the label of profit to as percentage. Here we can see copiers has the highest profit while table and bookcase are in loss. Now let's see how to make histogram. For it we need to select one measure. So here I am selecting the quantity. If you will right click on the graph, you see how many options. You can explore these options. For now, let's skip them. Here you can also select any of the bars together and create a set combining them. If you want to change the start and end values, you can do so by right clicking on the axis and select edit axis. Here select fixed value option. I am setting here end value as 15. Let us set the labels and colors. We can also set box plot. Here just go to analysis tab and drag box plot in the graph area. We can see the outliers here and the highest and the lowest value. You can remove the outliers if you don't want them in analysis. So that's all for today. We will meet you again in our next video to learn bivariate analysis. Do subscribe our channel to see video notifications. Till then, stay safe and healthy.